Hey guys, how you doing? Check it out. This dude there, in there. Right, that's backyard dispatcher. Now you set a challenge. How many points? Points. How many shots to shoot through the front of a card? I only just watched this about 2 hours ago. I'm straight on it. Gonna use a joker. So, you know, straight put on, pow, 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 sideways. It's gonna take a lot of shots. He took 46 shots. It's cool, dude. Love you, man. But I am gonna spank that. My guess. That's why I'm showing you the card now, so I can't change it in the middle of the game because obviously I've already killed the other joker. My guess is 25. Let's go. Oh, also, guys, this should be a quick video, so it's okay. But there's a lot of people next door making a lot of noise, like right next to where I'm shooting. So there's a fair chance I'll just play like what he did, playing some music and just plowing through it because otherwise I'll not be able to say a word. Lisa go. It's coming for you. As stated, Gamma Fox 177. Tiny little pellets. Never said about distance. I'm at 70 feet. I don't think it makes a difference, like, but 46 to beat. The first two wasted. Wow, I'm miles away and I'm far too high. Okay, maybe I shouldn't have picked myself up a little bit. That's not even close to anything. Nothing. Ooh. Then can we record it? Start again. Oh, there comes the noise. Right, we'll do the same thing. The same things he did. Just gonna fast forward it. Count at the end. Somehow I've got to do this shot to win.
Humiliation.
It might still be attached. Let's go find out. Come on, don't be attached. Don't be attached. Ah, yes. Wow. Wow. Well. Yeah, that's a nice, neat straight line, isn't it? So, I think that was 80. Exactly 80. I'll recount up front on the screen somewhere on about here. I'm pretty sure that was 80. He did in 46. I mean, I do remember saying at the beginning of this video that was a very good, top-notch, respectable amount of shots, and it would be very difficult to beat. And yeah, so that's a brilliant challenge. Hope everyone else does it too. Somebody's might have already done it. I might not have seen it. That's all. But I'm going to give you that one, man. You whipped me, good and proper. Couple of weeks I'll try again. I'll give it a couple of weeks. I don't want to spam the same videos over and over. I mean, it was close. You only just got it. I hate you. Thank you. Obviously, his name's in the description. Go follow him. He's a cool guy. Thank you.